How do you engage with agencies like ours? Aside from yourself, are there others that participate in the process? Do you typically allocate a certain amount of funds every year to work with agencies like ours? Hey everyone, great to be back with you today. I'm Shannyn Lee, the managing director at Win Without Pitching. And I had a great question from one of our followers. He wanted to know if you're the one reaching out to a prospect and they agree to have a conversation, do you still qualify them? And if you do, how so? It's a great question. I talk about it a lot in training with our clients. And the answer is that you absolutely do still qualify. You just flip the script a little bit. And here's what I mean. When you get onto that call, the Zoom, or maybe you're doing it in person, who knows? That would be great to do a little bit more these days. But when you're in the conversation, the first thing that you want to find out after you kind of chit chat and exchange some niceties is, hey, why did you agree to take the meeting? I know I was the one that reached out to you, but I'm just curious what caused you to think, yeah, this would be worth my time to have the conversation. So you're asking the same why us question that you would if you were qualifying, if somebody in fact reached out to you. That question is, why are you reaching out to us today? Or why are we on your RFP list? We can get into that a little bit further. There's another video I did recently that talks about the RFP process. But the whole idea is you still want to qualify. It may be that the flip hasn't happened where they see you as the expert yet, and you have to do some educating. But once you do that, you want to jump in and find out, how do you engage with agencies like ours? Aside from yourself, are there others that participate in the process? Do you typically allocate a certain amount of funds every year to work with agencies like ours? What is your process for deciding? So you're still going to go into qualifying. You're just going to ease your way in a little bit differently. And first and foremost, just find out, why is it that they decided to take that meeting with you after you reached out? Okay. Hope that was helpful. Let me know how it goes. Send your questions in. I'm always happy to answer questions. You can reach me at Shannyn at winwithoutpitching.com, SHANNYN at winwithoutpitching.com. Have a great day, everybody out there, and we'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye.